In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top and select Open as window. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To close it, just access background apps again and swipe your app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!